UNICEF gave us a big chance to find ourselves in space industry.
In our case, we have 20 girls in this team, and I'm really proud of being one of the Kazakh girls who is gonna launch nano satellites.
We are all different, but we have one common desire: launch our own nano satellite.
I have a 15 years experience in space science. Nevertheless, I found it's very interesting to take part in such promising project to create first nano satellite and the first girl team in Kazakhstan.
So right now my path goes through achieving nano satellites. They are super useful, super complicated and light.
In addition, the satellite has several sensors: a temperature and pressure sensor, an accelerometer and magnetometer, an air quality sensor, and also has a Geiger counter for radiation evaluation.
In this project we learn how to plan, how to design, how to assemble and how to test a nanosatellite, including all its steps.
I hope my skills related to interpersonal relationship and learning and development skills can help to increase the awareness about STEAM education, about building nanosatellites within the circumstances of universities and schools.
I think it's an amazing opportunity to take part in such a project organized by UNICEF.
It's a really big chance, big opportunity to me to show not only my professional skills, but show me who I am and who I want to be.